Guess what, photo heads? We're back with another video about color theory featuring cool lighting.
For this shoot, we hired 2 of our favorite models ever.
Booked a studio with a couple pastel vignettes.
Bought monochromatic and complementary wardrobe pieces.
Ate.
And left no crumbs.
So to speak.
And we did it all with the help of our pals over at Squarespace.
Thanks to those website heads for sponsoring this video.
A thing we said a million times before is like and subscribe.
A second thing we've said a lot is color matters.
The colors you include in your photos and films really help create the mood of your work.
To illustrate this, we started our shoot with a monochromatic color palette, matching our models to the pastel pink set.
The light shade of pink evokes feelings of love, tenderness, innocence, optimism, peace, calm, and hopefulness.
This might work for a spring lookbook, a perfume ad, a Valentine's Day shoot, or promo photos for the vagina monologues.
Pretty cool, huh? To get the clean, fresh look, we used a bronze color strobe and an umbrella so big you could float away with it if the wind hit you just right.
Look at that delicate fall off, man. Just makes you feel young.
And we added props.
Another thing we could do, Rachie, is a direct flash.
Yeah, let's do party flash.
We then tossed the bronze color strobe out the window and switched over to direct flash, creating an edgy look that's giving American Apparel.
So to speak.
Yeah, I would get their feet in there too.
You
That's
love
nice.
getting the feet in, I know.
Well, I just don't like cutting at the ankles.
Tarantino.
For the light blue vignette, we retrieved and reassembled the bronze color strobe and brought in some red accents to create a complementary color palette, providing visual interest and tension.
The red brings passion, excitement, danger, while the blue provokes calmness, serenity, and peace.
Combining these 2 complementary colors serves to create a striking image that really grabs the eye.
This could work for an editorial shoot, product photography, or an Old Navy t-shirt on the 4th of July in 2002.
Wow, that was a hoot and a half. And we learned a ton on the way. Tell them what we learned, Daniel.
I wasn't really paying attention. Why don't you just tell them?
1. Colors and lighting help to set the mood and tone of your work. 2. Monochromatic color palettes create a singularly focused tone. 3. Complementary color palettes can create visual interest and tension. 4. You shouldn't throw strobes out the window. It's honestly wasteful and tasteless.
In case you're new around here, you might not know that we're longtime customers of Squarespace. It's our favorite all-in-one website platform for photographers to stand out and succeed online. Now it's never been easier to get started. You can start a completely personalized website with Squarespace Blueprint, a guided design system to help you build your online presence from the ground up. Easily launch your website and get discovered fast with integrated and optimized SEO tools, so you'll show up more often to more people and jump the way you want. And grow the way you want. Not only that, now you can make checkout seamless for your customers with simple but powerful payment tools. Accept credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and in eligible countries, you can offer customers the option to buy now and pay later with Afterpay and ClearPay. How do you think I got this trampoline? There's an unrivaled suite of built-in visual design effects where you can engage all of your website visitors. Doesn't matter if photography sucks, these effects are so tight that they won't even be looking at it. When you're ready to spring into action, go to squarespace.com/mangostreet to get 10% off of your new website and domain. Jump in Jehoshaphat, that's a good deal.